Oh yes, hold on a second, let me pop the hood.
What's going on, Vlogs by Westworld? This is what we're doing today. Got the old truck out, and for the first time, oh, that's a loud truck. So for the first time, and honestly, I could not even tell you the amount of years, I'm going to take this thing over here to the car wash and hose it off real good, and I got to clean it up today. And the reason why I'm cleaning it up today is because Spring Mountain Festival car show is this coming weekend, and I'm gonna try to have this here. I'm gonna try to get the exhaust at least hooked up to the old exhaust for right now. That way I'm not running open headers, because right now I'm still open headers. And so I'm gonna try to have this truck to the first car show. That was a bee. Freaking bee getting on me. So to the first car show since 4th of July 2014. Dad drove it over there, but before that it was probably 10 plus years before that, for the last time it's ever even been to a cruise in. So the last time it's been washed, could not tell you. I have no idea. I mean, you can see it's pretty dirty. I mean, it's sat in this garage for a long time. We're just going right over there, it ain't too far. And yeah, let's hose this sucker off and try to knock some dust off of it. Ooh. Yeah. I gotta try to swerve all this mud though, because I gotta clean the thing up, and I don't want that mud all over the tires. Dad always kept these tires clean. First time in a car wash in like a bajillion years. Gonna be great. Give a little bit of a shine slash clean on the wheels, and I like the Grouse Best of Show detailer. Yeah, it's just a detailer, but I'm telling you, this stuff here, I mean, you can clean the entire car with it, and obviously it cleans and shines and everything. It does like a really good job. It don't look bad, except for this. I mean, this is, you know, wheels are getting pretty rough, you know, but I guess for their age, they're not too bad. I mean, shoot, these are the only wheels I've ever even known to be on this truck. So that just goes to show you how long they've been there. And if you've seen my last video, that's a video that was sent to me from a friend of mine that used to work with Dad, the old Petersburg Motor Company when he used to be around. And that video was actually taken, well, filmed in 1998. It's actually, oh, yeah, get my finger out, right over there on the other side of that truck, obviously. And you can kind of see where that, I don't know if you see, you got a green Ford there, and then there's a silver Subaru sitting there, kind of on that side of the Subaru where the grass is. If you notice in that video, that's actually where Dad parks this truck. There used to be a house that's set right there, and he used to park over in that little bit of a lot right there. Working on the seat. Ta-da! Yep, I think I'm gonna put a milk crate right there, and that's what I'm gonna ride on. Yeah, it's a little more nostalgia style, you know. It ain't gotta be comfortable. just needs to be a seat. So I gotta go get my shop vac, clean all that up. I've decided I'm going to put the new seat in today. I don't know, I wanted the new seat in when I had new carpet, but I don't have the carpet, but it would be nice to have the new seat in there. So considering the cruise in, the first Friday cruise in May, which is at Central Tire and Lumber in Petersburg, they're kind of doing like a little memorial thing for my dad. So considering that, I'm going to put the seat in. That way at least I have a nice seat in. Of course, you know, there's the old seat. Now the only thing I got to do is these racks right here are the wrong ones that's on that seat. So I got to take those racks off and put them on there. Bolt the seat right up, should be good. But of course I got to go get my shop vac, because you've seen that mess. I don't want to leave that in there. That would just be crazy. So I got the racks. I got the seat rack switched over to the one that I need. That goes into the truck, no problem. And ta-da! I got it all vacuumed out. And you know, the carpet still looks pretty new right there. It's been covered up a long time, but of course, you know, you can see it's really in bad shape. Really bad. But as you can see, I mean, if you have one of these old trucks and you want to go and replace the carpet in this, you know, obviously this thing would be a piece of cake. You can see how, you know, years of my dad's arm sitting on the door. So what I'm going to do is take the door panels off, and I'm going to redo all this silver on the door, but this whole top section right here, I'm going to do the silver bed liner on here. That way it's still silver, it blends in perfectly with the door, but it's textured here enough to where when I'm rolling down the road, my arm laying on the windowsill like that, it's not going to make the paint look like that. It's not going to rub the paint off. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get the seat in here. Oh, goodness. Okay. Up. Okay. Let me get my legs out of here. Up. Right there it is. Look at this nice seat. Got the nice raised letters right there. Of course, this will always ride shotgun with me everywhere I go in this truck. Got the seatbelt buckles pulled through. And I cleaned up the little bit of the doors here a little bit and tried to wipe a little bit of it off. Of course, vacuumed all that. And yeah, these look like crap, but that's all I have for right now. And the carpet looks like crap anyways. And it's better than how the carpet looks. Yeah! Oh, I love it. Alright. Yeah. Well, I think that's going to wrap up my video for today. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to laugh at me, that's okay too. But yeah, so not really a tutorial video, but just wanted to clean the truck up a little bit and well, clean up a few things, check a few things, and put the seat in so we can go to the car show. It's going to be on Sunday at the Spring Mountain Festival. That's coming up this weekend. I'm going to have the truck there. Whether I have exhaust on it or not between now and then, I have no idea. If not, I'm only going right across the street anyway, so it'll be okay to be loud for a few minutes. Won't hurt nobody. The following Friday, which is going to be on the 3rd, May 3rd, first Friday cruise in of the season, is going to be at Central Tire and Lumber in Petersburg. I'm going to have the truck there, and we're going to have Dad's Fairlane there. I've also decided to kind of do this particular cruise in as kind of a memorial for my dad. So what better two vehicles to take to this cruise in than both of Dad's loves. Obviously this was his first love, the Fairlane was his second, and everybody, the majority of you know Dad mostly probably because of the Fairlane, because that's what he's had racing. But all of you that's known my dad for years and years and years, you know this truck, you know I've been working on it, you've been following my channel, watching my videos, and I appreciate that. And it's pretty much all boiled down to that particular cruise in. So I've been busting my rear to get it done, and I'm gonna have it there one way or another. I'm gonna have them both up there. So we will see you Spring Mountain Festival Car Show, and then we're gonna see you at the Cruise In Central